Today I want to talk to you about cleaning lampshades, because if you do it the wrong way and ruin them, they are very expensive to buy. So let's start out with a fabric shade like this one right here. This is the silk shade. The one thing we never want to do is touch that with water, because water will create streaking and water drops all over it. A great way to clean it is with a soot and dirt removal sponge. Now you buy these at hardware stores and home centers. You're just going to take it and run down the lampshade like this. Now you can either take the lampshade off, you can leave it on the lamp if you want to, but go around the entire shade just the way I'm doing until it's nice and clean. Now if you have a paper shade like this one, then you can use a dry microfiber cloth on it and just do it the same way. Work down it like this. Now if it's really dirty, you might want to take it outside to avoid getting dirt all over the house. But don't forget to wipe out the inside too when you're doing it. And another thing that will work great on any of the lampshades is a lint roller. Just start at the top and work it down like that. It's good for getting hair off the lampshades too, in case you have pets. So now you know how to clean the lampshades, so you're not going to have to pay all that money to replace them. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.